My name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. I have a new design to show you. It's called Sweet Cherry Baby Blanket, and I've decided to make a baby blanket design because it's always a good idea to have one in your library, or something that you really want to make, because it's always an occasion with your friends and family and maybe for yourself when you need a baby blanket. So this one is obviously for a girl because it's super pink. I don't think I ever done this that much pink in my life. So it's about 26-inch wide and 30 inches long, and it's got really adorable focal point on one of the corners, and it's a sweet cherry, three-dimensional, and it's removable. So I wanted to create something that would be very easily removable for safe washing, and I have a picture tutorial in my pattern to show you how to put it on. And it's very easy to put on through one of the cables. So adorable, beautiful gift. I think anybody would enjoy it, or make it for yourself. And this is not too big of a project, so you're not gonna get too bored doing it. So what I used for this design is Anchor Bay by Cascade. So 3 skeins of this. A friend of mine suggested to me this yarn, and I love it. So it's 50% merino wool, 50% cotton, and I think it's one of the most perfect baby yarns that is in the market. It's soft, but it has a body, it's lightweight, it's decay weight. So I really recommend to use that, or you can use any other yarn of decay weight, or even substitute it for worsted, so it's going to be just slightly bigger. So, but it's not a fitted project, so it doesn't really matter. So I used Anchor Bay. You will need 3 skeins of this, plus for this sweet cherry unit, you will need about 10 yards in hot pink and soft green. So, and I specify in my pattern what colors I used for that. So 10 yards. 10 yards is actually plenty, but approximately that's what you need for a sweet cherry unit. So to make this unit, I have a picture tutorial and written instruction, and you make separately leaves, stem as an I-cord, and cherries. Leaf and cherries are knitted flat, and then you sew it together and you stuff cherry with the cotton balls. So I use only 1 cotton ball per cherry, so it's not too much. And you put all those pieces together. It's very easy to do, and you can see it looks very clean. It's very clean finish, and I describe it in details how to do it, so you can have exactly the same unit, and you can apply it to something else, not just on a blanket, but maybe for a hat or any other place in a baby's room, or on a baby's garment. So it's a good idea to know how to do this. So needles wise, so you will need notions, stitch markers, cable needle for cabling, 40-inch long size US 6 if you're using decay weight, and 2 double-pointed needles US 3, and that's to make a cherry unit. So it's done with just 2. You don't need more than that. So pattern itself is actually 5 pages long, and it's got detailed instructions with written instructions, picture tutorial, and a chart. So everything is there, and but you can always contact me if you have any questions about my pattern. Also, so what I decided to do is to come up with kits. It's my first kit for my own patterns, and I'm pretty excited about this. So I made yarn kit for this design. So this way you don't need to look and buy extra yarn. It's all here. So you have 3 skeins of Anchor Bay, and Anchor Bay in additional colors for cherry unit, and printed pattern with a code how to download it Unravelly for free. So it's all part of the package, but you will have a printed copy as well. So everything is here except needles and notions, and it's on my Etsy store, and you will see link on the bottom below this video. So I'm very excited about this. I hope you like it. So check out my Etsy store, and I hope you like this project. I hope to see your sweet cherry blankets Unravelly as a samples, and you can see the link below. And I hope you enjoy it, and happy knitting, and I'll see you later. Bye.